Kashmir Day is observed to highlight the issue of Indian control over the Muslim-dominated Kashmir and to express support for Kashmiris' freedom struggle to ensure their right for independence guaranteed by a UN resolution over 5 decades ago.
The main objective of the Kashmir Day was to remind India about the Simla Agreement, because India first time promised with Pakistan in 1948 through a United Nations Security Council resolution that there will be a plebiscite in Indian-controlled Kashmir, but there was no plebiscite.
After 2 wars over Kashmir, India and Pakistan began talks to resolve the issue of disputed Kashmir, but no progress was made. India accuses Pakistan of supporting Kashmiri separatists. This allegation Pakistan has always denied.
Once India shows some flexibility and willingness to resolve this issue, this has to be resolved in accordance with the relevant UN resolution.
Tens of thousands of Kashmiris have been killed in the past decades in fighting with Indian army. Experts say rallies like this show the whole nation is behind the Kashmiri people. Pakistan says it wants to resolve the Kashmir issue according to the aspirations of the Kashmiri people, seeing it as an important step for lasting peace in the region. Like Kashmir pro-independence leaders, Pakistanis are of the opinion that the future of Kashmir should be decided on in a referendum.
But what we really at this time want is not the final solution in the sense that would we like to join Pakistan or would we like to go to India. So let them go for a referendum.
The stakes are too high and both countries have vested interests in Kashmir to simply allow a vote to determine Kashmir's future. Analysts say the Kashmir struggle for freedom in the backdrop of war on terror has labeled liberation groups as terrorists and also blame Pakistan for not projecting Kashmir as a freedom movement internationally, a point which India terms as state-sponsored terrorism.
So that is what the Indians have attempted in the last several years, to project Kashmir as a problem which is ridden by terrorism, not by a freedom movement. And I think on our part also we failed to project Kashmir as a freedom movement.
After Mumbai attacks which claimed at least 173 lives, the two sides have resumed talks. Experts hope that Kashmir will top their agenda in a new round of talks. In Islamabad, Sib Kafi, Press TV.